Good morning. How's it going? Today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of Yolo trading today. So you can see we got $1,000 to burn, and I'm going to buy some Aapl options. So I'm going straight for the 305 calls. Earlier this week, it was upwards of like 319, I think, maybe just a little bit more. And it's had oh, there we go. We're already filled. Sweet. Um, all right, so yeah, I wanted to get the 305s, even though they're still in the money. They're at the money right now. You can see, let me pull up the chart here. The past couple days, they've just had a few down days in a row, and I'm really playing the bounce here. So we have the teal dashed line vertical. That is representing the expiration date for the contracts, just something that I have charted. You can manipulate that and add that however you want to. Let me know if you guys have any questions about things that I'm doing for charting and research and whatnot, and I can I'll do a separate tutorial for that too. If you guys see anything that I do that you're curious about or want to learn how to do, I'd be happy to do that. But anyways, right here I am drawing a line here at 305. And that's basically just giving me a visualization of where where my call contract is. So you can see after hours, Aapl absolutely tanked. It rose a little bit and tanked again, but already this morning it's on a good upswing. But we got about $98 left, and like I said, this is a complete YOLO trade. So we're just trying to spend this $1,000 and see where it takes us. So I can't yet. So this is 60 cents, 58 cents. It's a little expensive. You can get a 317.50. That's gonna give us. I can't quite get 3 at that price, but yeah, we'll do 32 cents. See if we get filled. If we get filled, there we go, filled. We got filled at 32 cents. So we got $6.72 left over. We aren't going to be able to get anything else with the $6, so we'll just leave that there. So let's duplicate this and create another benchmark line drawing at 317.50. All right, there we go. So we're shooting for the moon. I think, if we have a good bounce today and tomorrow, I think we're going to be sitting pretty for the 305 call, and possibly pretty good for the 317. We're already down about $150 right now, but it's first thing in the morning, so that's okay. I'm really feeling a bounce here. So we'll check back in sometime tomorrow, most likely, or the end of the day. It's still May 14th. So you can see the account value up here. Aapl went in our favor, which is exactly what I had hoped for. So we're at 1197 and 71. So if you look over to the right, we're at a total profit, overall profit loss of $200.99. And so that's broken up here. So you can see the 305 call, we're up $242.99 for today. In the 317.50 call, it's actually down $42, so that kind of weighed us down a little bit. I was hoping that would just add, but it actually lost some money today. But that's okay, because we had a really good day, right around 20% here. So let's look at the chart. Let's see what it did, why it did it. So you can see last night and after hours, it shot up at the end of the day, hovered for a little bit, but it tanked in the morning. So it opened up really low. And I was thinking that, this resistance line here, 305, it kind of bounced there and shot up a few days ago, came back down, continued its growth up. It peaked at about 319, and then it just dropped at the end of that day, came back up at the beginning of the next day, and absolutely tanked. It went a little bit past the 305, but at the end of the day, it felt that resistance and shot back up. So when it was opening up this morning, much further below that 305, I thought this was an opportunity for us. So we got in first thing in the morning, bought in at the money, and it was right around here. It ended up dropping right after we got it, stayed low for a little bit, and then just rose the rest of the day. So I'm thinking that I might get out of it tomorrow just to secure the wins. 20% in one day is phenomenal. You shouldn't be too terribly greedy. I mean, I know people are claiming 1,500% options trading, and yeah, you do get the unicorns, but this is pretty good for a YOLO trade.